So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram. Guys, this problem is already available in our course, one of the last sessions of the rubric online assessment which I asked 2 months ago. Same question I got asked again. So if you're doing my course and training nicely, you will just ace the contest. Now listen to me carefully. You are given an array nums of length n and a positive integer k. The power of a subsequence is defined as the minimum absolute difference. Blah 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 blah. We now need to solve this problem. Somehow we need to solve this problem, okay? So let me call it as dynamic programming masterclass, okay? DP masterclass. Looks nice, right? One, two, three, four, five. So guys, let's keep it short and nice. See, you know that you need to apply dynamic programming, okay? So the thing is that you are given an array. They are saying that the find the sum of all subsets. Find the sum of all the subsets of length k. Find the sum of all subsets of length k. Find the sum of all the subsets of length k in the given array. Sum definition is different. Everyone in the meeting write yes in the chat if they understood the question. You have to find the sum of all the subsets of length k in the array. गाइस मैं इतना जबरदस्त तरीके से आपको पढ़ाने वाला हूँ आपके पूरे दिमाग में घुस जाएगा. Only 30 lucky people can see. You have to find the sum of all subsets of length k in the given array. The definition is different. Sum is what? Minimum absolute difference between any two elements in the subset of length k. So guys, I will show you some nice tricks here, okay? So guys, if I discuss the example with you now, then you will see that 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Everyone write 1 through 1 2 3 4 in the chat. 1 2 3 4 guys. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So guys, if 1 2 3 4 is given to you, how many subsets of length 3? What will be the sum of all the subsets of length 3? 1 2 3 4. You want to find the sum of all the subsets of length 3. So guys, one subset is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Another is 1 comma 3 comma 4. Another is 2 comma 3 comma 4. Another is 1 comma 2 comma 4. Everyone write yes in the chat if they agree that yes bhaiya, there are four subsets. I can see them with my eyes. There are four subsets, right? 1 2 3 1 3 4 1 2 4 2 3 4. But guys, what is the minimum absolute difference for all of them? What is the minimum absolute difference for this Mani Sudhir if you take the adjacent difference? There is one only. So this subset will contribute one in the answer. What is the minimum here? 1 2 3 difference is 2 and this is 1. So minimum of 2 comma 1, minimum is 1 here also. Minimum difference of any two number is 1 here also. Minimum difference of any two number is 1 here also. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give you totally 4. Is that clear to you guys? Let me know. Please let me know. Okay, that is clear. Nice, 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 nice. So guys, like this in the question, many numbers will be given to you, okay? And you have to tell. And the numbers can be from minus 10 raised to 8 to plus 10 raised to 8. But see, the length of the array can be only till 50. So guys, that's it. अब जरा अपना थॉट्स बताइए, क्या लग रहा है आपको? क्वेश्चन समझ आ गया सबको? व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट? डू Did you understand the question that you have to consider all the subsets of length k, and once you get all the subset of length k, you have to find the minimum difference, and that minimum difference will be the contribution to its answer. You have to find the sum of this over all the subsets. Brute force is easy, but that will not work. Guys, tell me what are your thoughts on this question. If nothing is coming in your brain, write in the chat. Nothing, nothing. If nothing is coming in your brain to solve this. If something is coming, then write the answer in the chat. Guys, कुछ तो लिखना पड़ेगा आप लोग को. जल्दी लिखिए. नहीं तो मैं आगे नहीं जाऊंगा. Be quick. Yes, nothing is coming. See, Srinath is nice. See, you should say nothing only, right? Because this is out of the level problem, okay? So, yes, nothing is coming. That's the nice thing, okay? So, मेरे साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ था, ठीक है? बट मेरी बात अलग है, बाद में मैंने इसको कर लिया. So now listen to me carefully, okay? So guys, you have to find the sum of the subsequence power. So guys, how do we analyze what to do here? I don't want to directly give you the solution. I want to analyze with you, okay? So even at the first look, you should feel something, okay? You should try to feel something, okay? The first observation is what, guys? Open, guys. Open, open, open. Open that. The first option, first observation is sort the array, because then it will be guaranteed, it will be guaranteed that minimum difference then it will be guaranteed that sum equal to mean difference of adjacent elements. Guys, you should always sort the array. Why? Because it is common sense now. Let's say this is your array, right? Let's say you pick up this number x1, x2 and x3, okay? You pick up x1, x2 and x3, okay? You want the subsets of length 3. So anyways, you are going to pick these three numbers now. So why not have them in sorted order? If you sort the array, your subsets will also be in sorted order now. If you know that x1 less than x2 less than x3, then you know that the difference can either be x2 minus x1 or the difference can be x3 minus x2, minimum of both of them. If you keep them in jumbled order, you will not know the some value of a subset. It will become difficult. You will have to check all the difference of pairs. For example, let me tell you. Mani Sudhir, what is the sum value of this subset? Sum, according to our definition, minimum absolute difference between two numbers. What is that for this subset of length 3? Mani Sudhir and Pooja, please tell me. Everyone, please tell me. Wrong. 3 is not the answer. 1 is the answer. These two are the numbers which generate the minimum difference of 1. That's why I am saying, Mani Sudhir, that please sort these numbers so that they look in the proper order, and then you can just check the adjacent differences. If you sort the number, then it is sure that the smallest difference will come from adjacent numbers and not from the numbers so much at a different place, okay? If you don't sort, then you have to check this 5 with this 4 also. You have to check all the pairs, which is wasting your time. If you want to check only the adjacent differences, sort the subset, sort the array. Mani Sudhir, write yes in the chat if you realize why you should sort the array, so that you get all the subsets which are always sorted. If all the subsets are always sorted, then guys फायदा क्या होता है? फायदा ये होता है कि फिर सिर्फ एडजेसेंट एलिमेंट्स को चेक करना पड़ता है. पूरी महाभारत नहीं निकालनी पड़ती है, एक एक का लेके बैठो. Got it? Still, I will explain you one more time. 1, 5, 4, 8, 10. Now this is sorted. So you never need to check the difference of 1 and 10. Why? This will always be big. These will be the smallest differences. 1 to 5 this one, 5 to 4 1 this one, 4 to 8 4, 8 to 10 2. Minimum of all of them is the answer. 1 is the answer, okay? So guys, the question is saying that for all the subsets you find this minimum value and find the sum of these minimum values of all the subsets of length k. Yes, Pooja. बाद में पूरा ट्रैवर्स नहीं करना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट पूजा, करेक्ट 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 गाइस. बट नाउ व्हाट टू डू? दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, व्हाट टू डू? अब इंजीनियरिंग में एडमिशन ले लिया है तो अभी करना ही पड़ेगा सॉल्व. क्या कर सकते हैं? दुख दर्द पीड़ा. सो नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. ओके, so that's why you should always go for arts and commerce, or else you'll have to do this stuff. Okay, so anyways, let's now don't do pick not pick. Okay, we will pick only. We will go do CSE, CS and AI. Okay, we will not go to arts and commerce. So guys, let's say your array is sorted and everything is nice. What should be your state, guys? It is common sense, huh? Common sense. dpi of k, dpi of k, it should tell you what? Sum of all subsets of length k. Everyone write yes in the chat if this is very simple and intuitive to them. That guys, dp of I of k should tell you the sum of all subsets of length k till index I of the array. Till index I of the array. Guys, basically you will be considering all the subsets from 0 to I of length k, and dpik will tell you its sum. Sum means what? Sum means this. Minimum absolute difference between any two elements in the subset of length k. So that's what you should try to do, and it is fixed that ith element is the k length subset. Now guys, you must have watched at least 5-10 DP sessions or you are not going to understand what I'm telling you. That's why I made you do the prerequisite course. Okay, so guys, did the smart people understand what is the state which we are trying to make? Everyone please write in the chat na guys. सबसीक्वेंस और सबसेट का इधर सेम ही मतलब होता है सौरभ. तुम कोई भी सब ध्यान से क्वेश्चन का मतलब समझो. अरे ये एरे है, चलो ये एरे सॉर्टेड नहीं है, अनसॉर्टेड है. तुमको 3 नंबर उठाने, ये नंबर उठाया, ये नंबर उठाया, ये नंबर उठाया, इनकी वैल्यू है x1 x2 x3. अगर एरे को सॉर्ट भी कर लोगे तो भी x1 x2 x3 हाथ में तो आएगा ही. यस और नो? सो सॉर्टिंग इज नॉट मैटरिंग इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस, क्योंकि हमारा आंसर तो dpn ऑफ k होगा. हमने सारे एलिमेंट्स कंसीडर कर लिए होंगे लास्ट तक, तो चिल मारिए. क्लियर? या. So it does not matter. You are sorting so that things remain easy for you, right? Yes, in the chat, Saurabh. So guys, I hope you guys understood. Mani Sudhir, I hope you have watched the DP sessions. So dpik should tell you sum of all the subsets of length k till index I, and it is fixed that the okay. So let me take your test. Mani Sudhir, what will be dp2 of 2? If you are considering all the numbers from index 0 to 2, how many sets of length 2 are there and what are their sums? So dp2 of 2 will be, once you will consider 5 comma 10, then you will consider 5 comma 15, then you will consider 5 comma 10, 5 comma 15 and 10 comma 15. In 5 comma 10 the minimum difference is 5. In 5 comma 15 the minimum difference is 10. 10 comma 15 minimum difference is 5. So 5 plus 10 plus 5 20. Guys, dp2 of 2 is 20. Everyone write yes in the chat if they understood the feelings. Are the feelings clear? dp2 of 2 का मतलब ये है, if you consider the numbers from 0 to 2, how many subsets of length 2 are there? No, no, what is the sum of all the subsets of length 2? So you take all the subsets of length 2, you find their sum is nothing but the minimum absolute adjacent difference, and you add them up, 5 plus 10 plus 5 20. क्या अभी सबको समझ आ गया जितने भी स्मार्ट लोग थे कि क्या था डीपीआईजे का मतलब? Okay. But guys, the problem in this question is now that we are not able to make up any formula. We are not able to make up any formula with DPIJ. Formula नहीं बन रहा है, ठीक है ना, बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है लाइफ में. Okay. So DP, अच्छा अच्छा guys, I did one mistake. Sorry. DP2 comma 2 means all the subsets of length k till index I of the array, and it is fixed that ith element is the last element. Guys, last element should be the ith element only. लास्ट एलिमेंट को फिलहाल ith एलिमेंट ही रखने की कोशिश करो. तुम चाहो तो नहीं भी ले सकते हो, बट बाद में जरूरत पता चलेगी, ठीक है. So guys, this is the wrong answer. You cannot take 5 comma 10. Why? Because 10 is not the last element. We want the last element to be this element. So answer will be 15. Everyone write dp of 2 comma 2 is equal to 15. You cannot take the pair 5 comma 10, because in 5 comma 10 the last element is at index 1. We want the last element at this index. So understand the meaning of the dp problem. I have solved even 3000 plus rated dp problem on tree dp in code shift just by the definition of dp. So dpik, sum of all subsets of length k till index I of the array, and it is fixed that ith element is the last element of the k length subset, right guys? uh, Pooja, there is no benefit. It depends on the requirement. Okay. For example, your age is becoming 30 to 35. So, guys, what is your requirement? You need to marry a girl. Got the point? Clear? And if you are in the age from 15 to 20t, then you don't need to marry. You don't have any requirements. So here, guys, there is some requirement going on. Okay. What is the requirement? I am fixing the last element. Why am I fixing the last element? Do you want to go into its depth? Right? Yes, in the puja. So I will tell you why am I fixing the last element. I am fixing the last element because I can see the future. Okay. You know that there will be some array, right? You know that this is your I, right? You know that in the future you have to make some formula with dpi of k, right? If you want to make some formula with dpik, means there is a subset of length k, right? So let's say that the kth element was here. Then Pooja, write yes in the chat if you agree that at some particular index j there will be a guy at k minus 1 index. Write yes in the chat, Pooja. If you are assuming the subsets of length k till the ith index, there will be a guy which will be considered as the k minus 1th element, right? When this is k minus 1th element, then this difference will be checked ना. ये difference को देखा जाएगा ना कि ये j और I का. You will be checking ना b of I minus b of j. You will be checking this thing, and this difference will let you know that is it possible to make a state or not. So how will you check the difference when this element is not fixed? पहले इसको fix तो करो ताकि बाकी सारे second last elements को iterate कर पाओ difference check करने के लिए. Write yes in the chat if you understood why I'm fixing the last element. So you can compare, you can check the difference with all the second last elements. So now you understand that thing. Nice. Now guys, there is a problem, very big problem. फट के हाथ में आ जाएगी, ध्यान से सुनना. So let's say guys, this is very hard question. Anyways, you are at index I, okay? And this is your kth element, right? dpi of k. Now guys, there is a guy at index j. Let's say you are saying that the k minus 1 element is coming here, okay? K minus 1 element is coming here, okay? Let's say like that. Now guys, you cannot directly add all the sums, okay? Why? आपको मैं बताता हूँ, थोड़ा सा डीपली समझाना पड़ेगा. Even with this much no information, you cannot bond these things. uh my goodness. Like, I don't think I have ever explained a more complicated concept than this. So guys, this is index I, right? So, let me show you some numbers. Let's say there is a 8 here, okay? There is a 8 here, okay? So guys, can anyone write the meaning of a dp of 8 of wait. This index is also 8 and the number is also 8. So guys, what is the meaning of dp 8 of 3? Pooja, please write in the chat. What is the meaning of dp 8 of 3? dp 8 of 3 means the sum of all the subsets of length 3 such that the last element is at the kth index, right? Sum of all subset till index 8 having length 8. Sum of all subsets of length 3 till index 8 of the array. It is fixed that the element to the last of the. Dekho how much Surya and Pooja are dedicated to the session. That's why they are going to crack good offer. रात को 11 बजे कोई इतना focus नहीं करता. So dp8 of 3, you can know that it is sum of everything, right? But guys, the problem comes here. Let's say there is an index j and you want to bond with it, okay? Guys, let's say the index j is 6. Index 8 j is 6. So what is this difference? This difference is 2, guys. This difference is 2, right? But guys, for dp6 of 2, dp6 of 2 का क्या मतलब है, आप समझ रहे हो? All the subsets till length 6 of till index 6 of length 2, the sum of their minimum absolute differences. But you cannot join this guy directly with this guy, okay? बिकॉज बताता हूं, समझो यहां पर 5 था, यहां पर क्या था गाइस? 5 था. सो लेट से 5 and 6 वर बॉन्डिंग विद ईच अदर. So guys, if 5 and 6 bond with each other, what will be the answer of dp6 of 2? Let's say there are only two numbers. Guys, what will be the formula of dp6 of 2? There is only 5 and there is only 6. You have to pick two numbers from 5 and 6 and their minimum difference. What would be that, guys? Everyone write in the chat. अगर सिर्फ 5 और 6 को उठा रहे हो तो व्हाट विल बी dp6 ऑफ 2? अरे सिर्फ 5 और 6 को उठाया है, इट विल बी 1. नाउ गाइस, दिस dp, और समझो इसके बाद जस्ट 8 आ रहा है, इसके बाद क्या आ रहा है? 8 आ रहा है, ओके? सो यू कैनॉट से दैट अरे हियर द डिफरेंस इज 2, सो आई शुड ऐड अ 2. नो, it can happen that in dp6 of 2, some numbers are having a smaller difference and some numbers are having a bigger difference. फीलिंग आ रही है? फीलिंग आ रही है? पता चल रहा है लोचा क्या चल रहा है? यहाँ पर इंडेक्स आई है, यहाँ पर इंडेक्स जे है, ठीक है? इनका समझो डी आ रहा है, इनका इनका डिफरेंस डी आ रहा है, ठीक है? अब आपको यू वांट टू फाइंड डीपी आई ऑफ के. ऑब्वियसली यू आर ट्राइंग टू रिलेट दिस टू dpj till k minus 1, right? If you are able to find the sum of all the subsets till j which are having k minus 1 elements, then include this one more, it will become dpik, right? But guys, in this now there is a locha. What is the locha in dpj k minus 1? Some of the differences can be greater than d and some can be less than d, so you cannot directly join them. मतलब ये इसका 2 को उसमें ऐड नहीं कर सकते हो. यू कैनॉट से दैट dp8 of 3 is 2 plus 1 3. नो, dp8 of 3 is actually 1. व्हाई? भले ही ये डिफरेंस 2 है बट मिनिमम तो 5 से 6 का 1 आ रहा है ना. So guys, write yes in the chat if you can realize that there are many complications. You cannot make formula even with these states. Guys, वो कौन सी चीज है जो आपको दर्द दे रही है? बताइए, चैट में लिखिए. Here we have no problem with index I. We have no problem in maintaining k. वो कौन सी चीज है जिसको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? ये क्या है जिससे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? What is this thing in which we are not maintaining and it's giving us a problem? What is that thing, guys? What is that thing? डिफरेंस। ऐसे करके डीपी कोई नहीं पढ़ाता। लोग क्या करते हैं, पहले ही स्टार्टिंग में दिखा देते हैं और बताना चालू करते हैं, फिर तुम लोग कभी नहीं सीखोगे। क्यों नहीं सीखोगे? तुमको पता कैसे चलेगा कि ये क्यों करना था? सो ये मैं इस टाइप से बता रहा हूं जैसे मुझे खुद को करना पड़ा था। मेरे को पहले ही पता नहीं चल गया था कि डी डालना है। जब सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा था ना, दिख रहा था कि डी से लोचे हो रहे हैं। सो DPIKD another state. Now you will be able to solve it. Now guys, what will be the new state? Now it's easy peasy. DPIKD. Guys, write its definition in the chat. It's very, very easy. Sum of all subsets of length k. Sum of all subsets of length k till index I of the array, and it is fixed that the ith element is the last element of the k length subset. No, it is not the sum. Count of all subsets of length k till index I of the array, and it is fixed that ith element is the last element of the k length subset, and their difference is d. गाइस, अब काम हो गया। आप सब चीजों का ट्रैक रख रहे हो। आप अब आप एकदम स्मार्ट हो। You are tracking your I also, react with emoji for understanding. You're tracking I also, tracking K also, you're tracking D also. Vinit Tekwani soon going to crack a good offer. So guys, what is DPIKD? सोची। अब मैं आपको इसके लाइव प्रूफ दिखाऊंगा, आपको बहुत मजा आएगा। ओके, ओके। DP2, DP2 till index 2, if you are trying to find all the subsequences of length 2 such that their common differences are 1. Guys, what is the count of such sequences? How many sequences are there? Now I'm changing the sum to the count. Guys, ऐसे कितने लोग हैं 0 से लेके 2 तक? How many guys are there from index 0 to 2? From index 0 to 2 such that they are of length 2 and their differences are 1. So one is 2 comma 3, another is 3 comma 4, and guys 2 comma 4 is not valid. Why 2 comma 4 is not valid? 2 comma 4 वैलिड नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि उसका डिफरेंस तो 2 है ना। तो ओनली 2 to 3 and 3 to 4, so there are two pairs, so 2 will be the answer. Mani Sudhir, did you understand the meaning of DP2 of 2 of 1? This means that from index 0 to 2, how many pairs are there? How many pairs are there such that they are of length 2 and the difference is 1? Guys, ये 2 भी गलत है, 1 है आंसर। अरे लास्ट नंबर 4 ही होना चाहिए था। लास्ट नंबर 4 ही होना चाहिए था पूजा एंड अनुष्का। ये भी तो मेंटेन करना है ना। लास्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ दैट सेट शुड बी द ith गाय। सो गाइस, पूजा राइट अगेन आंसर। व्हाट विल बी द आंसर, पूजा? एंड विनीत, यू आल्सो राइट इन द चैट, इट विल बी 1 ओनली। इट विल बी 1 only. Okay, so dp2 of 2 of 1 is 1. Let me write here also. 2 3 4 8, dp2 of 2 of 1 is 1 only. सो गाइज, अब ये डीपी को कैसे निकालेंगे सब जगह से? अब आएगा मजा। अब बहुत मजा आएगा। अब ध्यान से सुनना, दिस इज द क्रक्स। वी आर नाउ गोइंग इनटू द डीप ओशन। ओके, डीप 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 डार्क ओशंस। ओके guys, you are at index I. Everyone write yes in the chat if they understand that you will try to bond this I with all the j from index 0 to I minus 1. It is common sense, na guys? You will try to do the bonding of this I with all the guys from 0 to j minus 1, right guys? अरे सबसे बॉन्डिंग करोगे ना. Yeah, this I is your kth element, fixed element as k, okay? And the other guys are the other guys, okay? They are the second last element. You are in the search of second last element of the subset, okay? So let's take a condition. Pooja and Vinith, you are at index I, okay? You want to find dp I k phi. You want to find how many subsets are there such that the kth guy is coming here and their minimum difference is 5, okay? So Vinith, let's say you are picking this guy as the k minus 1 guy, okay? This guy as the k minus 1 guy, okay? Okay, okay g. And this difference is coming as 4. This difference is coming as 4. Then guys, what will be the answer? 0. Guys, whenever your second last element and the last element is having a difference less than the difference you want, अब यही 4 है तो ये पूरे जो भी सबसीक्वेंस बनेगा इसका तो आंसर 4 आएगा ना, 5 आ ही नहीं पाएगा. फीलिंग आ रही है गाइस? राइट यस इन द चैट. Whenever you are fixing the last element and the second last element, if the difference of the last and second last is less than the d you require, the answer is 0. You don't do anything here. Pooja and Vinith, right? Yes. Pooja, Vinith, clear? Okay, G. Now, Pooja, you are at index I. This is index J. This is Vinith. This is Pooja. So, this is the kth element and this is the k minus 1th element. Okay? Okay. You want dpi of k of phi. And this distance is coming as 10. This distance is coming as 10. It means that this guy will not disturb you. It will not disturb you. Why? It will not disturb you. Why? You want to know how many sequences are there. You just wanted to know how many sequences are there such that their difference will come as phi. Okay? You wanted to know such that their differences will come as phi. It will be nothing but what, guys? It is very easy. Very, very easy. It will be dp of j k minus 1 phi. Simple. Whatever are the sequences till here which are generating the minimum difference phi, if you join them with these sequences, then also the minimum will be phi only, because this is phi and this is 10, and minimum of 5 and 10 is 5, guys. Oof, guys, can you feel what I'm trying to tell you? Write yes in the chat and be quick. समझ आ गया क्या चल रहा है? ठीक है. Okay जी, okay. So guys, this is how you solve this problem. Okay, whenever you are at index I na, you need to be very very careful about what is going on. Okay, what is going on, you need to be very very careful about it. So in general, what will be the formulations, guys? Okay, yeah, you need to know many things, right? Many things you need to know. First, you will have to make the base states for dpik1 and dpik2. Basically, फॉर k इक्वल टू 1 और k इक्वल टू 2 तो आपको खुद ही सॉल्व करके निकालना पड़ेगा सारा पैड्स. उसके बाद से चीजें थोड़ी इजी हो जाएंगी एंड यू विल बी एबल टू डू दिस थिंग्स इन अ वेरी वेरी इजी मैनर. ओके, क्लियर गाइस? राइट यस इन द चैट इफ इट इज क्लियर. सो आई एम गिविंग यू 1 minute. Think about how you will you write the formula and all. Okay, see, it's very pretty simple. Okay, you want to find dpij, right? Dp, you want to know how many guys are there. You want to know how many guys are there. till index I, such that the current element is the kth element, and the difference is d. You want to know the guys is having difference as d. Okay, so in that case it's not that difficult. Even when you are trying to find for three element guys, okay, even when you are trying to find for three element guys, so समझो यहाँ पर guys क्या कहते हैं, 0 1 2 3 4, okay, you now know everything. You now know everything about dp4 of length 2. You know what is the best answer for difference 0. You know the best answer for 0 1 2 3 4, let's say till infinity or a very big number. You know all these values. You really know all these values. You are such a nice person. You know all of this. Wow, awesome. You know all of this. You know how many sequences are there of this length, that length, doing that stuff. अब अगर आपका पांचवा एलिमेंट यहां पर आ रहा है, ठीक है, पांचवा एलिमेंट आ रहा है, ठीक है, और आपको बतानी है डीपी फाइव ऑफ थ्री, dp phi of 3 of d, ठीक है. So first you will try to bond this phi. You will assume what would have happened if this was the last element and this was the second last element. If this guy is the second last element and this is the last element, check the difference. If the difference is bigger than d, if the difference is bigger than d, then you have to think something. But if the difference is, let's say, less than d, this difference is less than d, then you don't have to do anything. Okay guys, if the difference is less than d, then you don't have to do anything, because the it will not satisfy what you want. अरे ये difference ही बड़ी हो गई तो कैसे चलेगा? Got it? Guys, I'm trying to make the case clear for you again and again. This is super hard question, but I'm still trying my best. अरे तुम ही देखो यहाँ पर, ये समझो तुम्हारा नंबर है, ठीक है, 15 लिखा हुआ है, ये तुम्हारा आई है, एंड दिस गाय इज योर जेथ गाय. ओके, यहां पर लिखा हुआ है 10. आपको ढूंढना है डीपी ऑफ आई ऑफ के ऑफ 20. Basically you want to find the number of sequences till I such that their length is k and the difference is equal to 20. In that case what will happen? You try to assume, let's take this as the kth guy, this is already the kth guy, you assume this as the k minus 1 guy, you will iterate for all the j from 0 to I minus 1 for the k minus 1 guy. You please check its difference. What is its difference? So easy, right? क्या है इसकी डिफरेंस? आंखों के सामने दिख रही है. इसकी डिफरेंस 5 आ रही है. इसका मतलब समझ रहे हो, कोई भी सीक्वेंस उठा लो इसके पीछे का, अगर उसके साथ इसको जोड़ोगे तो 5 ही आंसर आएगा. 5 इतना छोटा है, तुमको तो 20 चाहिए था भाई. So if the difference of the last and second last element is less than 20, then ignore, don't do anything. It is not going to give you the difference is 20. But इसी की जगह अगर ये 50 होता, if this was 50, then dpik would be nothing but dp j till j, the number of sequences of length k minus 1, एक लेंथ कम होगी, having the difference as 50, sorry, having the difference as 20, which you actually want. Okay, so guys, like this, if you write the formula, your problem has been solved. Congratulations, you solved the problem. Okay guys, write yes in the chat if you understood what we are doing here, and be quick about it. Anyways, let's write the formula also. dpikd. So what you will do, iterate for all j from 0 to I if b of I minus b of j. If this is less than d, तो गाइज ये कैसे ही कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाएगा ना, इसकी तो कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, डू नथिंग. Because in the final sequence the minimum the value of power which you get will be less than d. I want it equal to be I want it to be equal to d. So in other case guys, if it is equal to d or greater than d, then yes, there are some chances. In that case you should just write dp of I of k of d is nothing but dp of j of k minus 1 d. Or you have to add this, add into this. Just need to add into this guys and your job will be done. Okay, your job will be done like this. Guys, is this much clear to you? Write yes in the chat and be super quick guys. This much is clear then. Okay, okay, okay. Now guys, I have to explain the final formula for the last 5 minutes, so I'm taking another recording for it. So guys, we nicely covered two cases only. If the sum is less than d, do nothing. Sorry, if the difference is less than d, do nothing. If the difference is greater than d, whatever was the best answer till the past, you just take it. But guys, what if the difference is exactly d? For example, here there is a 5, here there is a 8. Okay, the difference is 3. So dp let's see, this is index 0, index 1, index 2. So dp 1 of 2 of 3 is 1. Okay, there is a guy with difference 3 here, but here there is difference is 1. So if you want to find out if you want to find out a sequence till index 2 of length 3, till index 2 you want to find a sequence of length 3, basically include all the elements whose difference is 1. So you cannot do it like that ki I just take this one and I say okay, it's good, and the number of sequences till this point which are having 1, because there are no sequences having difference 1 here. So your answer will be 0, but that's not true. So when your current value is 1 na, you have to add all the bigger sequences here. समझाता हूँ, मुझे पता है आपके सिर के ऊपर से बात गई है. देख रहे हो ना कितना भारी क्वेश्चन है. So या so listen to me carefully. I did not even write these things on paper. ये सब मेरे दिमाग में किया था. I now understand the difference. Anyways, सोचो मैंने पहले कितनी पढ़ाई की होगी जिंदगी में. Anyways guys, so now going back. So guys, this is your I, okay? This is your J. Okay? Now guys, this difference is coming exactly as D only. This difference is exactly coming as D only. Then what will you do guys? This difference is coming as D only. dpik, sorry, dpik uh, like till index I of length k such that its difference is d is nothing but dpj minus 1 k minus 1 d plus dp j minus 1 k minus 1 d plus 1 d plus 2 d plus 3. Guys, all formulas are correct. प्लस D+1। बड़े वाले भी ले सकते हो। क्यों बड़े वाले ले सकते हो? वो भले ही अपने घर पे बड़ा होगा, बट वो तुम्हारे मिनिमम के साथ मिलके तो डी हो जाएगा ना, उसका भी डिफरेंस। D+1 guys till the limit allows and so on. Vinith and Pooja, did you understand what's happening? बेसिकली मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि इफ दिस इज I and this is J, the difference is phi. So dpi of k of phi is nothing but dpj of k minus 1 of phi. Whatever was the best answer of these, the number of sequences which are having the difference as phi, और प्लस द नंबर ऑफ सीक्वेंसेस विच आर हैविंग द डिफरेंस इज 6, वो भी तो चलेंगे ना। भले ही इनका आंसर 6 आ रहा है, इसके साथ तो मिनिमम मिलके 5 ही बनेगा। और द सीक्वेंसेस हैविंग द डिफरेंस इज 7 और 8 और 9 till the max limit. Guys, everyone write yes in the chat if they understand what happens when your number is exactly equal. Okay, if the difference is exactly equal to what we want, तो तुम सारे बड़े वाले सीक्वेंसेस को भी उठा सकते हो, क्योंकि जो बड़े वाले भले ही उठा लिए हैं, देयर यू हैव टू टेक द मिनिमम एडजेसेंट डिफरेंस ना। मिनिमम ऑफ 7,5 विल अगेन कम 5 ओनली। इज दिस थिंग क्लियर टू यू गाइस? वो दिमाग खुल गया? हैज योर थर्ड आई नाउ ओपन्ड? So guys, this is the solution to the problem. Okay, first of all, you will have to write many base cases here. Okay, it's really difficult. After that, see, you are running the loops I, k and d. Your j will go from 0 to I. Okay, 0 to I. If this is less than d guys, फिर क्यों क्यों माता बच्ची कर रहे हो? छोड़ दो उसको, गिव अप। अगर ग्रेटर देन डी है तो ये ग्रेटर देन डी में क्यों इग्नोर कर रहे हो, वो भी यू गाइस शुड नो। ओके, इफ लाइक दीज आर द टू गाइज, आज तो पूरा डीपी का घोल मिला के पिला दिया। सो डीपी आई, ये लिख लिख के पक गया यार, छोड़ो इसको। सो 10 एंड लेट्स से 110। सो क्या लिखा था यहाँ पर? इफ दिस डिफरेंस इज डी देन यू विल ऐड ऑल द प्रीवियस सीक्वेंसेस लेस देन डी। इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन डी देन व्हाट यू विल डू गाइज? व्हाट यू विल डू विनीत तिकवानी? इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन डी प्लीज टेल मी। रात के 12 बज चुके हैं। सो विनीत, ग्रेटर देन डी कैसा दिखता है? फीलिंग्स नहीं आ रही है मुझे। व्हाट इज ग्रेटर देन डी मैन? या सो विनीत, लेट्स से योर डी वाज 50 विनीत। ओके, व्हाट इज दिस डिफरेंस विनीत? प्लीज टेल इन द आंसर सो आई डोंट गो टू स्लीप। बी क्विक विनीत, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस गाइस? विनीत प्लीज टेल मी। 100। सो विनीत, जब डिफरेंस 100 है तो अगर तुमको निकालना है डीपी ऑफ 50, तुमको 50 वाला सीक्वेंस निकालना है, राइट? और तुमको ये इसी को लास्ट रखना है। तुमको बहुत खुजली आई है, इसको ही तुमको लास्ट रखना है और इसको ही तुमको लास्ट -1 एलिमेंट बनाना है। तो चुपचाप यहां तक का जो 50 आ रहा था उसको ले लो भाई, क्यों मत दिमाग लगा रहे हो? ठीक है, अगर तुमको 50 ही चाहिए तो चुपचाप यहां से 50 वाला ले लो। ठीक है, 51, 52, 53, 54 वाले मत लेना, क्योंकि उनमें दिक्कत हो सकती है। हो सकता है कि वो 50 ना हो, 53, 54 हो, क्योंकि उनका मैक्स तुम 100 के साथ कर रहे हो। बट जब सेम होता है ना तब चलता है। क्यों चलता है? जब सेम होता है तो क्यों चलता है? ये डिस्टेंस समझो है 10, ठीक है, ये 20 है, ये 10 है। अब डिस्टेंस सेम है दोनों की, ठीक है। अपन को चाहिए द सीक्वेंसेस विच आर हैविंग डिस्टेंस 10, ये 10 ही है, राइट? तो अब तुम कितने भी मजे कर सकते हो। नाउ यू कैन पिक ऑल द सीक्वेंसेस हियर ऑफ डिफरेंस 11, 12, 13, 14 टिल इंफिनिटी। कुछ भी उठा लो उनका, ये इसके साथ मीन करोगे तो 10 ही आएगा। Oh, Vinith and Pooja, is this clear now? Is all the concepts clear, Vinith and Pooja? Clear, right? Yes, so I can go ahead. कू कर रहे हैं, फिर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए कर रहे हैं। विनीत, राइट? यस, 10 आएगा। अरे इसके लिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ये भी वैलिड हुए ना पूजा। यहाँ का अगर तुमने सिर्फ 10 वालों को लिया तो तुम्हारा आंसर गलत हो जाएगा। ये जो 11 वाले हैं ना, इनको भी इसके साथ मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि 11 10 से बड़ा है, तो मतलब कैसे तुमको समझाऊं? ध्यान से देखिए, 20 है, 30 है, ठीक है, और ये है 9। तुम खुद ही मुझे बताना, ठीक है? ये 9 ले लेते हैं और इसको लेट्स टेक इट एज 9 एंड लेट्स टेक इट एज 10. ओके, सो इफ यू dp 0 1 2 3, so if you want till index 3, you want the guys you want to know the number of sequences which will give you the difference as 10. Okay, so this is nothing but all the stuff here which guys are having the difference as 10 or 11. मतलब 10 20 और 30 का भी बॉन्डिंग हो सकता है, इसका डिफरेंस 10 था लास्ट एंड सेकंड लास्ट एलिमेंट. बट 9 20 और 30 का भी बॉन्डिंग हो सकता है, भले ही 9 और 20 का डिफरेंस 11 था. बड़ा है तो क्या हुआ, अभी तो छोटे से मिल रहा है ना. That's why when the difference of these two elements is equal to the d you want, you can pick up the bigger guys also, because the bigger guys minimum with current guy will be the current guy only. So you should not miss on those elements. Vinith, clear, right? Yes in the chat. Pooja, clear, right? Yes in the chat. And be quick, guys. Quick, quick, quick. अब गाइज मैं आपको क्या दुख दर्द पीड़ा बताऊं. इवन आफ्टर डूइंग दिस इज स्टिल इनएफिशिएंट. Okay, rona mat, rona mat. So now the final solution. Okay, according to the constraints. Okay, so guys, the thing is that can you हम लोग we are taking difference d guys, but did you check the value of d guys? Please tell me guys, what can be the d value by looking at the numbers? Please tell me what can be the d value, huh? Minus 10 raised to 8 to plus 10 raised to 8. Is that a good indication, Vinith? Tell me yes or no in the chat. No. So your D can be so big. Still you can solve it. Still you can solve it. By doing broken DP. अब सुनिए इसका क्या मतलब होता है. Even though the differences can be from 0 to 2 into 10 raised to 8. Even though the differences can be from 0 to 10 raised to 8. There can only be there can only be 250 differences. गाइस 250 डिफरेंस ही हो सकते हैं जी. मजा आई विनीत. द डिफरेंसेस कैन ओनली बी 250 नंबर्स. मतलब आप एक लिस्ट बना लीजिए. आप एक 200. सी, दिस इज योर सॉर्टेड एरे, राइट? You know that all the pairs of numbers are only the differences which are possible, right? You make a list of the 250 numbers of differences. Now when you are iterating this your difference, make this difference only the numbers which you need. Only go through those 250 numbers again and again. So your D will only go through 250 numbers now. Vinith Tikwani, write yes in the chat if you realize the nice thing about the problem now. The differences can only be 250, right? Even in the worst case. Sorry, not 250. 2500 guys, 2500. Sorry, गलती हो गई. No problem. 2500 डिफरेंसेस है. कितने डिफरेंसेस है? 2500. सो 2500 डिफरेंसेस का एक लिस्ट रखना और वो डी को ना वहां वहां तक ही लेके जाना. ओके, पूजा, डिड यू गेट इट? राइट इन द चैट. देयर आर ओनली 2500 डिफरेंसेस. ओके, Vinith, what I'm trying to say is that you need to move your D efficiently. Okay, ये D जो है ना, you don't need to move it from like 0 1 2 3 4 till 10 raised to 8. ऐसा करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, तुमको पता है ये डी क्या क्या आ सकता है. ये ना 2500 कुछ नंबर्स है, वो वही आ सकता है. इट कैनॉट कम एनीथिंग एल्स विनीत. ओके, cannot come anything else. Surely cannot come anything else. If you are sorting the whole array, you're taking all the pairs, it cannot come anything else. It is guaranteed, Vinith. Guaranteed. Even in the formulations, it cannot come anything else. अब तुम क्या करोगे ना, ये डी की वैल्यूज को नोट डाउन करोगे और इन्हीं पर इटरेट मारोगे. समझे बात को? समझो डी तुमको पता चल गया, या तो 5 आ सकता है, या तो 10 आ सकता है, या तो 200 आ सकता है। तो मैं क्या करूंगा ना, फॉर ऑल द DPIK आई विल ओनली सर्च DPIK 5, DPIK 10 एंड DPIK 200। अब जब कुछ और आ नहीं सकता तो उसको ढूंढ के क्या करूंगा मैं? एंड वेन यू आर राइटिंग द फॉर्मूला, फॉर्मूला ऑल्सो सपोर्ट्स इट। देखो ये फॉर्मूला तो आराम से बन जाएगा, राइट? इसमें तो बस एक बार पीछे जाना है। और ये जो है ना, दैट यू आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड ऑल द बिगर नंबर्स, कुछ नहीं करना उसमें। बाइनरी सर्च से ढूंढ लो वो नंबर कहाँ है, और उससे जितने भी बड़े नंबर है वहां तक सारी लिस्ट चेक कर लो। Oh, Vinith, Pooja, did you guys finally understand the nice thing? It's now midnight. Did you guys understand what's happening? You know that these are the only differences. This is called as the broken DP, guys. Okay. Yeah, you got it now. Pooja got it. So, guys, I took a very big risk. This is really difficult question. I hope you guys understood. Okay. So now let me stop and save. The Python, Java, C++, every implementation will come. And if I have to add this question, I will add this question as the last question of our course. Okay. It's really difficult. So stop.